Okay, good morning basketball fans. Welcome po sa ating PLBL, ang liga ng mga sikat dito sa Qatar, featuring the teams of in blue and black combination, post-pow dribblers, and white combination only is Beast Bulacan or Bulacan.
Okay, ready na po. First five.
First five po tayo, tinatang first five po. First five, Colonel, first five now. We're here live right on the sunny but yet cool Arab School number 1 in Doha. Ito po ang PLBL, ang liga ng mga sikat dito po sa Qatar. PLBL, white combination and blue combination po tayo maglalaban po ngayon. And this game is part of by QFBR pool of referees. Ito na po tayo mga kagayan. First quarter action. And first quarter action brought to you by Fashion Culture Qatar. Yeah, nothing. Okay, 9 minutes 51 seconds remaining. First quarter action po tayo yun. Ito na for 3. Nope. Rebound. Good ball. Giga. Nice one by Tagle. Tagle 2 points kagad. Binigan mi sa Tagle ng Boss Pau dribblers. Boss Pau. Ito na po tayo yun. Bulacan Beast now on the run, on the attack. Matake. Pinasa mo rin sa labas. Kick pa. Hoop shot. Nope. And rebound the tackle ni Giga. Giga attack. It's on the move. Nice one. Contesto. 2 points again. Back-to-back points already been posted now by Boss Pau. Maybe Pau calls for Pau.
4.8 by Boss Pau.
Boss Pau dribbler number 18. 2 points number 18. Binawi kagad yung number 18. 2 points na binigyan niya. Ito na po tayo on the run yun.
Number 25.
Boss Pau, number 25. To Giga. Tiki 3, nope, ayaw niya. 26. Pops up. Nope. Giga for the rebound. Palpalabahagya. Rebound. Nice rebound na number 31, the pass. 31 on the roll. Umatake, pops up, and one play made.
Oh, basket.
Nice shot by the pass.
Foul number 15.
Of course, this is brought to you by Hookup Qatar. You know,
First foul number 15.
apparels, caps, and many more. Handog po yun ng Hookup Qatar. Diyan lang po sa Al-Sad area in Doha. Or visit the FB page for details. Hookup Qatar. Rebound kagad di Giga. Giga for the rebound. Now on the run now is Bautista. 25. Nope.
Tapos.
Airball. Balik po muli sa Bulacan Beast ang bola. Bulacan Beast na number 7. The pass. Tintag. Good morning po sir. Okay. Okay, ito tayo number 31. And kick pass to the pass again. The pass number 7. Lintag, the pass again, 31, pops number 3. No!
Tapos.
Okay, balik mo sa blue ang bola.
Tabla po tayo.
Blue, black, ball muli tayo. Giga, nag-inbound po siya ngayon. Ito na po tayo yun.
To Perez,
To Perez, number 4.
Contesto, number 18.
Contesto.
To
Giga.
To
Tagle. Power move. Contesto. Sa ilalim, pinalpal, pero may sumabit. And free throws kami para kami sa Bondesto. Handog po yan ng 3 John's Barbershop. Yan ha. 3 John's Barbershop po yan. Handog po yan 3 John's Barbershop. The whole 100% po yun barbershop owned. Barbershop in Qatar. Diyan lang po yan sa... Diyan lang po yan sa Al-Sad area and Mansura area Indo. 3 John's Barbershop.
Second.
Nope.
Wala.
Nakuha ni Galman. And it's a foul. May sumabit kagad. Post pa rep. Bondesto called for a foul. Good morning po siya po. And welcome po muli po sa PLBL. Ang liga na masikat dito sa Doha. Have a nice viewing po. And also, this also was simulcast po ito sa aming FB page po. Habang kayo nag-merienda or nag-almusal, samahan nyo po kayo sa pagpanood po dito sa liga na ito. Okay, sabi ng referee, same ball daw. Same ball.
Same ball, 14 shot clock.
14 seconds shot clock. Uy! Okay, Lintag. Ay,
14 sa clock.
Depas rather. Lintag. Thinking 3, ayaw niya muna. No yun, nice D.
Intercept.
Nice interception.
Pass break to Perez.
Side step move. Yes, sir.
Ay Perez.
Pasok ang bola. Pasok ang bola kay Perez. Okay, balik po tayo ngayon. On the road, it's a foul. Kick foul. Naging football pang basketball. Kaya balik po sa 14 shot clock ang ating shot clock ngayon. Alarcon. Depas. To Daskin kay Depas. Pops up.
Pass. Try for 2.
Nope. Rebound. Binitag. No pa rin. Nakuha. And it's a foul.
On number 01. Lentag. Second foul on Lentag.
Giga, medyo ano. Okay, tatawag.
First foul on Lentag.
Lintag, first foul po yan.
Galman. 01, Galman.
Bautista.
Second foul on Galman.
Nice D. Alarcon, on the run. Alarcon,
pass break. Wala. Rebound by Galman.
Galman, 2 points.
Basket count by
Galman.
Galman.
Nice shot by Galman. Now 6-7 po. Trailing bend po ang Bisbulacan ng isa. 5 minutes 17 remaining. And it's a foul sa ilan. Alarcon, call for the foul sa likod.
Substitution.
Sub made now.
First foul on Alarcon. 13 foul.
Okay, Galman, labas muna po siya.
Nayen.
Sino pumasok? Si number 1. Number 1. Tagle.
To Perez.
Perez, side step move. D-shot pass kay Giga. Bondesto, power move. Nope. Rebound to the pass. Number 31. Depas na on the run now to Lintag. Alarcon. Dish pass kay number 31. Pasok bola.
Lamang na po ang Bulacan Beast.
Okay, change paper po tayo. 8-7 po ngayon squad. 4 minutes 40% remaining of the first quarter action. Desha PLBL Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar.
To Giga.
Bondesto, 2 points.
2 points by Bondesto.
2 points made by Bondesto. Balik ko sa kalaman po sa Boss Paul Dribblers. 8-9. Lintag, Tingtoy, Nope. Kay Depas muna. Siya tumira ng 3. Wala.
Rebound by Giga.
Giga for the rebound. Giga driving in. Intercepted ni Lintag. Pero sorry. Lumabas po. Out of bounds. Okay, ito na. Ito po tayo. Perez.
Atake.
And
Perez.
searching. Palpal.
By Lintag.
Smothered by Lintag.
15 shot clock.
15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to make. 15 seconds to shoot. Eto na po tayo yun. Giga. Palpal muli. Pass.
12 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds.
Back to back block. Shot blocks been made by Beast Bulacan.
12 seconds.
Pinapakal sino talagang beast sa larong ito. Cutting in. And it's now white ball. White ball. Bola po muna ng Bulacan Beast po ngayon mga kababayan. Ito na po tayo yun. Alarcon. May tanga ng bola. Alarcon. Naim, nakakuha ng screen.
Pass to the pass.
Malakas ang konti pero nilabas mo ulit yung pass. Medyo mainit kasi sa loob. Umatake ulit the pass and to the pass. And it's 3 seconds violation.
Nangitlog sa gitna.
Balik po muli po tayo sa blue-black combination. Boss Pau ballers muna tayo. Boss Pau for the inbound. Okay. Perez. May tanga ng bola. Perez. To Tagle, to Perez.
Balista number 25.
Number 25. 3 points made. Nice shot by Balista. 10. Nope. 3 point po yan. 12-8 ang score po natin yun. 12-8 po. 12-8. Tagle. To Alarcon. Alarcon driving in. It's a foul made by Giga.
Foul on Giga.
Giga called for a foul.
Second foul on number 15.
Giga called for a foul. Free throws coming up para kay Alarcon. Handog po yun ng Imprint Advertising. With your dreams ito. Absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Yan. Imprint Advertising po yan.
Ready.
Second throw. Jumpers ready.
Second try.
Second throw ni Alarcon. Jumpers ready. Pasok.
Basket.
It's in. 2 minutes, 20 seconds remaining at 9-12 ang score po natin, mga kababayan. Good morning, good morning. This is Joseph Yu, Arvin G. Vlogs with you. Ito pang PLBL, ang liga ng mga sikat dito sa Qatar. Live po tayo ngayon sa Al-Assad School number 1 in Doha. Pops up. Nope. Rebound, Ditagle. Power move, Ditagle. Pasok ang bola. Nice rebound. Matibay ang katawan. Depas. Number 7, Depas. Driving in to another Depas. 31. Naim to Depas, number 7. Almost lost the ball.
14 shot lang.
Brother Depas, 31. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound, Naim. Stolen by Perez. Perez. Contesto, power move. Sumabit si Depas.
On the pass.
31 Depas called for the foul. Free throws coming up, shooting for 2 by Perez. This free throws brought to you by Pure Market Groceries. Daily deals po yan at many more. Hand po yan ng Pure Market Groceries. Just visit every page for details. Pure Market Groceries. Bondesto, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And next game po ha. Next game mga kabayan. Second game. Game number 2. Finals match between F1 and Boleros.
2 minutes.
Alarcon. Tingin 3. Nope. Depas muna. Okay. Dinarive muna ang bola. Depas. Sayang ang bola. Hindi lang na-shoot. Okay. Substitution be made now. 15. Giga. Third foul. Maaga pa. Pero kailangan pagpahingin muna si ni referee. Ng coach nila. D-zone, pasok muna para kay Giga. Number 31, Depas. First shot not made. This free throw is brought to you by HB Cakes from Jordan Celebrons. HB Cakes highly hope for you. HB Cakes. To order the shoes that visit every page for details. HB Cakes. Okay, 10-16 po ang trailing bend para ng Bis Bulacan ng 6. Perez, hounded by Alarcon. Balista. Dison, Tagle. Bondesto, pops up. Nope. Rebound, Alarcon. Nagbababa ng bola. Alarcon. Almost lost the ball. Pinasa muna kay Depas, number 31. Depas. Okay, Depas. Binabiyahe muna yung bola. Depas. Pops up. Depas. Floater shot. One more time. Depas. Foul sa baba. Dison called for the foul.
Penalty po tayo.
Penalty situation po ang
Boss Pau. Dison number 1.
Boss Pau penalty situation. Depas number 7 shooting for 200 po yan ng Jet Vlogs. Travel vlogging, travel photography, and many more. 100 po yan ng Jet Vlogs. Depas, second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po ni Depas. No! Dison. 30 seconds remaining. Perez, Bondesto. Perez. Barista.
Tapos.
Nope.
Nababalintag.
19 seconds remaining. Alarcon driving in. Dison Pasky number 7. Depas, 2 points. Depas, 31.
10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining. Tagle and stolen away. 4 seconds remaining. Running shot. Nope.
Score 16-13. Boss Pau.
Okay. Ito po ang PLBL, ang liga ng mga sikat dito po sa Qatar. And standby po tayo sa second quarter action. Okay, second quarter action po. Hando po yan ng Kanoypi Vlogs. Yan, yan, PLBL, ang liga ng mga alamat or liga ng mga sikat dito sa Qatar. Thank you po. Bulacan ball po daw, sabi ng ating magiting na referee po. Bulacan. Depensa po ang Boss Pau, Tagadan for the inbound.
Number 25, Brian.
Brian, number 14 or 0 muna, walang ano. Brian. Lintag to Brian. Brian driving in, side step move, 2 points. Brian delivering the much awaited points para sa Bulacan Beast or Beast Bulacan. Okay, tuloy po tayo. Dison again. Pops up for 3. Bang! Si D. 2 points rather. 2 points. Long 2 lang pala ginawa ni Dison. It's only long 2. Lintag to Brian.
To number 0.
Number 0 again. Brian. Depass. Nope. Rebound. Number 18. Binababa niya ang bola. Ito na po. Bondesto. And it's a foul made.
Number 25.
25 called for the foul.
Number 25.
25 called for the foul. Inbound po ang Boss Pau Dribblers. Pops up.
Number 10.
Nope. Rebound. Bondesto. Power rebound. Sumabit ng konti. May sabit. Take 2.
Number 2,
Lintag called
first
for foul. Okay po.
First
shot. Next way. Ando po yan ang Boss Joe Pares, ang pambansang Paresan dito po sa Qatar. Boss Joe Pares po yan.
Second try.
Pares Oboro, the many more. Diyan lang po yan sa Montasa Herendo. Boss Joe Pares.
Substitution.
Okay, submit now. Tagle para kay Bondesto. The full score rate is 15-20. Laman pa rin po ang Boss Pau po ng 5. Nakasitin po si Giga dahil meron siyang 3 personal fouls kagad. Nag-nurse his personal fouls. Power move. Stripped away the ball. Nakuha naman. Nice interception by Lintag. Lintag to Brian. Brian pops up for 3. Nope.
Brian tapos. Number 10.
Number 10, Estrella. Ito na po tayo yun. Number 8 ngayon. Number 8, nagbababa ng bola para po sa Boss Pau. Boss Pau, thinking 3. Nope. Rebound and give. It's good. Binasa kay Lintag ang bola. Lintag, binababa ang bola. Brian, to Lintag. Power move. Yes, sir.
2 points by Lintag.
2 points.
By Boss Pau.
17-20 po. 3 point na po yan. At 8 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter action. Second quarter action on the way now. Ito na po, pops up for 3. No. Nakuha ni Tagle. Power mo Tagle sa ilalim. Palpal. And may sumabit.
On number...
Who's pa rep?
25.
Number 25, Boss. Number 25, Tagadan ng Beast Bulacan. Called for the foul. Tagle, first shot. Yes. This video is brought by Kanoypi Vlogs. Vloggings po, handle po yan ng ating Kanoypi Vlogs. Vloggings, events, and many more. Kanoypi Vlogs. Tagle sa intro, pasok muli tayo. 17-22 ang score po natin. At 7 minutes 45 seconds remaining of the second quarter. This is your PLBL, ang liga naman sikat. Dito po sa Qatar. Eto, Depass. Depass, side step move, nope. Lumabas.
Pass to Tagle.
Tagle. 2-on-2 situation. And traveling violation call by the referee. Traveling violation, tinawag po natin yung boss referee. Ito po ngayon. Brian. Again, may nagbababa ng bola. Brian, number 14. Brian na naman. Brian to Lintag. Lintag to Brian. Brian. Pops up, palpalbahagya. Lintag, ayun! No! Depass! Nice putback by Depass. Okay, 19-22 again. Tatlo lang pumuli ang kalamangan na lang ng Boss Pau.
3-point lead.
Tatlo lang po, 3-point lead. Tinky 3, ayaw niya. Ito muna, siya titira daw. 3 points na!
3 points.
Walang takot. Siya ang tumira, kaya siya yung pumasok. Okay, balik po sa anin po ang kalamangan po ng Boss Pau. Boss Pau.
Depass.
Brian to Tagadan. Fade away shot. Pasok ang bola. Nice side step. Fade away ni Tagadan.
Number 25.
Nice shot by Tagadan.
Number 8.
Okay, balik po muli po tayo. Ito po tayo ngayon. And it's a kickball.
Kickball.
Naging football pang basketball po natin yun. Pero balik po tayo sa bola po ng Boss Pau. And number 8. Think it again. Back-to-back 3 points being made by Boss Pau. The score is 21-28. Pito po ang kalamangan na po ngayon ng Boss Pau.
7-point lead by Boss Pau.
Boss Pau. Lintag. Brian for 3. Papawin ba niya? Hindi, ayaw niya.
Wala, rebound number 10.
Okay, rebound number 10 ng Boss Pau.
Australia to number 8.
Number 8 again, binababa muli. Ito naman siya. Manabat again. Dison to Dison. Manabat. Siya naman tumira ng 3. Labas. Lintag for the rebound. Lintag. Binababa ang bola. Diretso.
Lintag.
Sumobra ng konti.
Manabat.
Manabat naman. Manabat. No. Dison for the rebound. Tagle. Put back. Time out ako by Beast Bulacan.
Time out Bulacan Beast.
This is your PLBL Basketball Pinoy Legends Basketball League. Live po tayo ngayon po sa Arab School number 1 in Doha. In Al-Sadd po yan. You're watching right now the games between Bulacan Beast and Boss Pau. 9-point lead na po ang lamang na po ng Boss Pau, trying to pull away at the remaining 4 minutes 55 seconds remaining of the second quarter. Tuloy po tayo. Ito po tayo ngayon. De Leon pops up for 3. No, rebound. Manabat na rebound. Di sa pagkitari, palpal sana. Pero may sabit.
On number 10. Number 10, short. Sa short, number 10.
Number 10, called for the foul.
First foul on number 10.
This free is brought to you by MC Cuisine, ang aming lasay, laging sigurado. MC Cuisine. Diyan lang po yan. Available po dyan sa Doan Station area in Doha. MC Cuisine. Maharlika Cuisine, ang aming lasay, laging sigurado. Ito po tayo, number 1.
Basket.
Okay, 10 na po ang kalamangan ng Boss Pau over Beast Bulacan.
De Leon.
De Leon, number 7. De Leon. Papalpal. Smothered. Nice one by number 8. 2 points po kagad. 33-21.
Malaki na.
Ito po tayo.
De Leon.
Depas Brothers.
So Depas Brothers.
Yes, sir. Binawi kagad.
By number 31.
Depensa na kinakailangan nila.
Yoresta.
They need a stop. Ito po tayo. Ito na. Dison. No. Nice rebound. Depas to De Leon. De Leon. Driving si De Leon. 2 points De Leon.
By De Leon.
Nice shot and stepping violation.
Sa itim po tayo, sa itim.
Paalala po, sa itim po dapat tayo tumak. Huwag tayo tatapak sa itim. Itim po ang line po ng basketball. Ito na. De Leon. Uy, sayang.
Rebound by
Noresta. Manabat paint. Nice one. Ayun. Masyadong mataas ang ang alley-oop play.
To
Depas sa ilalim, dukot. Foul. Pushing foul. Okay, game.
Sige, sab.
Sub muna tayo si Bondesto. Pinasok muna para kay Dison. Okay, Depas now will go for the inbound para sa Bulacan Beast. Bulacan Beast for the inbound. De Leon, humingi ng bola. De Leon. Okay. De Leon thinking long two. Nope. Rebound by Depas. Pero may foul si Tagle.
Wala pa. Number 1, Tagle.
Foul number 1, Tagle.
First foul.
Okay, again still on the inbound. Si De Leon naman ang Bulacan
14
Beast.
shot lang.
Bulacan Beast. Number 7, Depas. Depas number 7.
10 shot lang.
Driving in. Eto na si Depas. And pops up.
Number 10, try for
No.
wala.
Rebound. Battle. Okay. Nakuha.
Foul number
31,
31.
Depas. Hope for the push. Balik pumuli pa sa Boss Pau ang bola.
Anong foul, Jobert? 31.
31. Bondesto.
Number 8.
Noresta. Pops up.
Manaba.
No.
Number 31.
Nice rebound. It's a foul called.
Tagle.
Tagle. Reaching foul called on Tagle. The pass for the inbound. Brother De Paz to De Paz. Para silang kambal kung titignan.
Second foul ng Tagle.
De Paz number 7 for 3.
No.
No rebound. Resta and De Paz intercepted by De Paz number 7. De Paz. De Paz to De Paz. 2 points De Paz. Tapos ang bola. Okay, umabot ng on the roll muli po sila. 6 point lead na lang po kalamangan po ng Boss Pau. Giga want to go inside already. Bondesto. 2 points Bondesto. Turn around. Bank shot. Bondesto. Pasok ang bola. Ito po tayong mga kababayan. Number 7. Number 7 De Paz. Scaling the defense.
Number 7, De Paz.
Driving pops up for 2. No.
Tapos pa rin.
Rebound knee.
Out by Manaba.
Manabat.
To Resta.
Resta.
1 minute 22 Tagle.
Tagle. Bondesto naman. 2 points.
Bondesto.
Back to back field goals being registered already again by Mr. Bondesto. Naka back to back siya ngayon. Back to back. Okay, labas muna si Giga.
1 minute 5
Pagkain na lang siya muna.
seconds.
Nagbago rin ng ng
10
post
point
nila.
lead.
10 point lead remaining. 10 point lead rather. 1 minute remaining.
De Paz.
Thumbs up. Yes, sir. Binawi kagad. Okay, balik mo sa pito muli kalamangan po ng
7 point
Bulacan o Bulacan Beast.
50 seconds. Resta.
47 seconds remaining. Estrella, 2 points.
2 points by Estrella.
Tingkaya de Estrella pumasok. Okay, bawi na naman tayo. Bawi na naman.
35 seconds.
Numbers. Nice one by Galman.
Tapos.
One more time. Nope.
Rebound by number 8 to Manabat.
Manabat. Binagong bola.
Rebound by
Rebound. Dito pass. Slip.
To De Leon.
Number 1, De Leon.
15 seconds.
15 seconds remaining. De Leon. De pass for 3.
De Paz. Wala.
Bondesto. 8 seconds remaining.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Bondesto. Manabat. Bangs in and... Okay, that's it.
Sorry.
Halftime po tayo yun. Ito po ang PLBL. This is your PLBL Basketball League, ang liga na masikat dito po sa Qatar. We're here live right now sa the sunny but yet cool Arab School number 1 in Doha. Alisat po yan po. PLBL, ang liga na masikat dito po sa Qatar. Ito po tayo yun. And halftime po tayo. And coming up next po, game number 2 between F1 and Boleros. F1 and Boleros, game number 2 po tayo, mamaya.
Picture.
Okay, game number 2 po ha. Game 2 po ng rated
Yung sa labas,
5.8.9 plus 2 rated plus 2 import, 5.11 rated division finals game number 2. Boleros and F1. One Ferrari pa lang, ibig sabihin ng F1. Boss Pau Drivers po.
Sige, ready.
Boss Pau Drivers enjoying a comfortable 11 point
Boss
lead.
Pau ball, Boss Pau.
Bola ngayon po ng Boss Pau naman. Boss Pau, bola po ngayon ng Boss Pau.
Boss Pau.
Change court na po tayo yun. Change court na po tayo yun. Change court mga
Second game,
kabayan.
game 2. Championship game.
Third quarter na po tayo mga third quarter po tayo. Hando po yun ang pure
F1
market groceries. Okay. Pops up, no, rebound. Up! Si Daisy Paul sa baba.
United
Boleros
versus F1.
F1 Boleros po tayo, game number 2. 5.8.9 plus 2 rated imports. Wow! And it's
Galman,
in!
third foul.
Giga!
Basket count, foul on number Brian, number 14. First foul.
Tropang Giga. Pumapasok na. And nope, not completed. Not completed. 30-43, a 13-point lead. Lintag.
Brian
For 3. Nope.
Wala, rebound by
Tagle for the rebound. Ito na naman. Perez. Turn na ng pass.
By foul on
Foul
Lintag.
committed.
Second foul on Lintag.
Second foul po nilintag. This free is brought to you by Maharlika Cargo. Ang yung padala ay laging safe at sigurado. Maharlika Cargo po yan. In 2 branches po yan. 1 in Doha and 1 in Dubai. Maharlika Cargo. Ang yung padala ay laging safe at sigurado.
Basket count on Perez.
First shot ni Perez. Pasok. Second try po niya kagad. Second try ni Perez. Labas. 30-44. 9 minutes 19 remaining.
The
pass pops up. Nope.
Short.
Rebound ni Dizon.
Dizon rebound.
Giga.
Pass to
Against the
Giga.
pass. Manabat.
Balista. To Tagle.
Tagle. Nope.
Wala.
Rebound.
by the pass.
With the pass. Nakalusot dito pass.
Pass to Galman.
Galman. Stretching. Labas ang bola.
Talaga. So,
Labas ang bola ni Galman. Eto na.
Balista.
Parista.
To Perez.
Perez nilabas mo ng bola for 3. Nope.
To
Ayun
Balista.
nga. Kay Dizon daw. Ayun. Kay
To
Giga. Giga.
Giga,
Nope.
wala.
One more time. Giga and 2-2. Take two. Giga shooting for 2.
Lintag, third foul.
This free throw is brought to you by Qatar Sublimation by Miss Zia.
Third foul on Lintag.
Quality uniform for all kinds of sports, shape and sizes. Handog po yan ng Qatar Sublimation. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second try.
Second throw, jumpers ready
Giga.
po by Mr. Giga. Wala. Parang wala.
Rebabalayer.
The pass. Okay, the pass. The pass driving in. 30-44 po score po natin yan at 8 minutes remaining. Third quarter. Stolen away. Dizon on the run. 2 points Dizon. Kinaliwa pa.
Timeout.
And timeout call by again Bulacan Beast.
Timeout, Bulacan Beast. 16-point lead. Napako sa 30.
PLBL want to thank the following sponsors. Siyempre, ayun po ang Hook Up Qatar, Trigon's Barbershop, Fashion Culture Sportswear, Imprint
7 minutes, 50
Advertising,
seconds.
Pure Market Groceries, HV
Wala
Kids,
na.
and Jet Vlogs, and
Lipas.
many more. Okay.
Wala ng Bulacan
Bis Bulacan. Bis Bulacan muna tayo. Bis Bulacan on the roll. 30-46, a 16-point lead already been posted by Boss Pau Dribblers. Brian for 3.
For 3, wala talaga.
Nope. Reboundy, Galman. Nice hustle by Galman. But still intercepted by Dison. Giga.
To
Perez. Dinukot sa ilalim. Balalim masyado. Number 1.
Pass to Depas.
Depas muli tayo. Depas driving in to number 7. Depas. Nope. Kapos ang konti. Giga pa rin. Giga. Reach in. Nope. Nakuha ni Depas ang bola. Depas.
To
Galman. Intercepted by Dison.
To
Tagle. 2 points Tagle. Tagle, 2 points. Okay.
Depas, 18-point lead.
18-point lead na. Been posted na by Boss Pau Dribblers. It's now wide ball game already.
To Depas.
Depas driving in. Nope. And walang di na kinuha muna. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Substitution be made now. Number 1, papasok muna para kay Galman.
In, Galman out.
Galman, pass labas muna para kay De Leon. De Leon, kumuha ng bola para sa Bulacan Beast. Bulacan Beast ng on the run. Eto na po at 6 minutes 16 remaining. 30-48. Trailing bind po sila ng 18 points. Depas.
Number 1.
Gessery. 2 points made. Okay, ito po tayo yan. Number 25 to number 11. Giga. Basket made. This free throw is brought to you by PSBQ Basketball League. Yan ha. Yan po kami pa natin sa the Purning Season International yung Doha. PSBQ Basketball League. Liga naman sikat din sa Qatar. PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, Giga for the bonus free throw. 32-50. Okay, basket made. A 19-point lead. Already made now. Been posted. De Leon. Driving in. Ay, walang pinasahan.
Di nagkakaunuan. Saan po tayo?
Okay, substitution be made now. Brian, pinasok muna. Then, De Leon, nilabas muna rin para kay Lintag. Okay, balik po tayo. Ito ngayon. Perez, number 4, against Lintag. Giga. It's a foul.
Number 2. Number 2, fourth foul.
Fourth foul na rin.
Substitution.
Masakit yun. Lintag muna.
Warning
Lalabas
pala,
na rin yan. Okay, Alarcon, pumasok muna. Para kay Lintag, Alarcon. Bautista. Nope. Pops up. 2 points. Perez 2 points. 21-point lead now been posted by Boss Pau.
21-point lead.
Boss Pau Dribblers. Oh, blocking foul committed ni Dison. Blocking foul.
Number 11.
They call
Second foul of Dison.
Dison, nakadalaw-dalaw na si Dison. Dison for the ring up.
Penalty. Penalty.
Penalty situation po. Dison shooting for 2. Dahil penalty po siya. Handog po yan ng JPX TV. JPX lang ang Sakalam. Basketball dress and apparels and many more. JPX TV lang ang Sakalam. Dison, yes sir, pasok.
Basket.
Second throw, jumpers ready.
On Dison.
Dison, second throw, jumpers ready. It's pasok pareho pa rin.
23-point lead.
Good basket made. 23-point lead. A biggest lead so far po para sa Boss Pag Dribblers. Alarcon driving in. Alarcon 2 points. Turn around shot. Pumasok ni Alarcon. Okay, it's good. Alarcon. Batista. Perez for 3. No. The pass. Uy. Okay, it's a foul. Technical foul call by Tugiga.
Technical foul. At saka foul. Foul out number 15.
Number 15. 5 fouls kagad.
Sab na.
Okay. Giga fouled out na kagad. Sa third quarter pa lang. The pass shooting for 2. That's a technical free throw. Handog po yan ng Winnax Apparel. Don't get up from the house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winnax Apparel. Oh, take 2 pa.
Wala pa penalty, wala pa. 13 foul pala. 13 foul.
Ah, sorry pa. Oh, post na. Ito na. Alarcon driving in. Nope. The pass. 3-second violation being committed by Beast Bulacan. Eto na po tayo. Perez. Kaya pa yan. Bondesto. Pasok ang bola kay Bondesto.
22-point lead.
22-point lead now. 20-point lead. Alarcon. Pops up. 2 points Alarcon. Basket. Back to back. Back to back basket being made by Alarcon.
Number 25. To Perez.
Bastasa to Bastasa. 25 in line. No. It's a foul.
Foul on Bondesto. Number 18.
Bondesto number 18. Go for the foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty na po ang Boss Pag Dribblers. Substitution muna din po. Labas muna si number 25 para kay number 19 ng Boss Pag Dribblers. Ito na po tayo. 3 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes 55 remaining. The pass.
Moving screen.
Moving
Number
tick.
18.
Illegal
Moving
skill. Offensive foul.
Number 18. Second
Number
foul.
18. Dahil moving stick po siya. Number 4. Si Dison. Number 11. To number 4 na si Perez.
To Perez.
To Manaba. Thinking 3. Nope. Ayaw niya. Si Perez ang tumira. Ayun.
Number 31.
Nice one by the pass to Alarcon. Alarcon may driving. Driving si Alarcon. Dison pass.
Number 10.
Nope.
Rebound by Manabat.
Manabat naman.
To number 1, Tagle.
Labas.
Number 1. To Depas.
Depas naman si Depas.
2 points.
2 points.
Sandali lang. Sab.
Tagle, labas muna. Mukhang maganda, hindi maganda pagkakabagsak. Okay. Game. Ito na. Perez to Dison. Perez. Manabat for 3. Nope. And it's Out of bounds.
White ball.
Out of bounds to white ball po ulit tayo ng Bulacan. Bulacan Beast. Okay. It's now, ito po sila.
Check repa.
Alarcon.
To number 7.
Depas na naman. Sa ilalim. Bubas mo na. Masyadong mainit.
To number 7, the pass.
Number 7, the pass. To Alarcon. Alarcon pops up for 2. Nope. Contesto. Big pass to Dizon.
To Manabat.
2 points Manabat kagad.
Galing.
Okay, 20 muli po. Bumalik po sa 20 po ang kalamangan po muli ng Bulacan Beast. Training po kami sa Boss Pau Drillers.
Alarcon. To the pass.
The pass for 3. Tapos, Alarcon. Nope. Contesto for the rebound. A minute remaining.
Foul.
Number 7, the pass.
The pass. First foul, number 7.
First foul, number 7, penalty situation. Bulacan Beast.
Sang the pass, second foul.
This clip is brought to you by Cutter Sublimation by Miss Zira Nyala. Uniforms for all kinds of shape and sizes and sports also. Hando po yun ang Cutter Sublimation by Miss Zira Nyala.
Second try.
Nope. The pass for the rebound. Alarcon driving in.
50 seconds.
Double team almost. Alarcon. This pass. Kay the pass. Kapos.
42 seconds. 42
remaining. Perez to Dizon.
Tagal pa.
36 remaining. Manabat for 3.
Manabat.
Bang! Nothing but net. Alarcon. Last shot na lang sila. Alarcon driving in. 15 remaining. Eto na. Alarcon side step. The pass.
10 seconds.
Malakas.
5.
Number 10. 2 points.
Basket.
1 and no more.
Ang galing.
Okay, after 3 quarters of score for 39-65 at 24-point lead. At 26-point lead rather ng Boss Pau Dribblers. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League, ang liga ng mga alamat at ang mga sikat dito po sa Doha. Live po tayo po ngayon sa the sunny but cool Arab School number 1 in Doha. Okay, final quarter coming up. Calling na po sa ating game number 2 between F1 and Boleros. Nasa na kayo? Punta kayo dito para warm up na. Lintag for the inbound to De Leon, number 1. Fourth quarter na po tayo. Silintag, power move. 2 points. Okay, 41-65, 24-point lead. Bondesto. Oh, foul sa baba. Si Galman.
Number.
Sa puta.
Dito number 3.
01.
Ingat ha.
Fourth foul.
Okay. Okay, Manabat for the inbound. Kinuha muna ni Noriesta. Noriesta nakawala si Noriesta. Uy!
Foul on number.
Okay.
Foul on number 31. Third foul on number 31.
Okay, Noriesta shooting for tundog po yan ng Maharlika Cargo muli. Yan na, dyan po sa Doha and Dubai branch. Maharlika Cargo. Binabati po namin si Madam Sandra na nasa Dubai right now. Second throw. Second throw. Last throw na po yan. Jumpers ready po tayo.
Sige na, laro na po, laro na po.
Noriesta. Okay, number 8. Call for the technical. Contisk. Number 8. Okay, tinawagan na technical.
Technical is personal. Isa pa lang.
De Leon, shooting for the technical free throw.
Rep, check nyo rep, ha?
Number 1. Okay, basket made. Technical free throw made po. Okay,
Sige,
balik po
basket.
muli. Balik po muli po tayo.
Second
na, last go. Last shot to. Last go. Kulang, chilang po tayo guys. Okay, number 8. Second throw. Wala. Rebound din number 8. It's foul call.
0-1.
Galmang called for the foul.
0-1.
Okay, wala na free throw.
5 fouls.
0-1, 5 personal fouls.
Substitution.
Graduate to po 0-1. 42-66. A 21-point lead po yan. Game, ito na. Bondesto for the power move. Ayun. And to Perez. Perez muna, Perez. Nasa labas lang. Perez driving in. Bondesto. Nope. Rebound by number 1. To number 31. To number 1 again. The pass for 2. Nope.
Wala rebound by number 8.
Number 8, ako ng rebound.
8 minutes Modesto.
Contesto, malakas. Rebound, the pass. The pass, driving in. Malakas pa rin. Oh, it's a foul by the pass.
Number 31. Fourth foul on number 31.
The pass.
Isa na lang, perfect na.
Dami gumagamit. Okay, number 4. Number 4, Perez. To Manabat.
Number 4,
Perez na naman.
Perez.
Perez, ako ng pick. Ayaw niya. O sige. Ito po tayo. Number 19, Manabat. Bondeso, 2 points. Magaling.
Six minutes 19.
The pass. The pass. 2 points, the pass.
2 points. 24 point.
8 minutes, 8 seconds remaining. Perez to Manabat. Naiwan mag-isa.
Manabat.
Nope.
Wala rebound by number 7.
Eto po tayo. Number 7, the pass.
The pass.
The pass. Naipit ang bola.
Sendepa. Kickball.
Kickball. Naipit ang bola sa hita.
Substitution. Munti ka na makalimutan, Brian.
Okay, Manabat for the inbound. To Mr. Perez.
Game 2, F1 versus United Boleros. Game 1 won by by F1, Perez.
Manabat. Boss, good morning sir.
Manabat.
Manabat,
Won
number
by
5. And ito na po tayo yun. The pass. The pass driving in. Nice one by number 1. Nice putback. Nice one by number 1. A good putback. Number 1. Okay, Perez.
Sige po.
Nakakuha ng screen. Perez, nakalusot.
Perez, wala na ba number 1? So the pass.
The pass, the pass. It's a foul committed.
Substitution.
Substitution muna po si number 10. Lalabas
Number
muna
10,
para
first foul,
itable.
first team foul.
Boss Pau called for substitution. The pass. Number 7 for the inbound.
7 minutes.
Next game po tayo. Game number 2 sa ating premiadong league po between F1 and
Number 1.
Boleros. De Leon number 1. Number 7. Brian for 3. Nope. Rebound na number 1. Labas muna. Pinasok muli. Labas na.
Rebound by number 8.
Oh!
Over the back foul
Over
on
the back
Brian.
foul on Brian.
Sa likod ka.
Yakap na.
Penalty, penalty.
Penalty situation po ang Beast Bulacan o Bulacan Beast. Okay, ito po ang ano, again brought to you by HB Kicks from Hall Jordans to LeBrons. HB Huddle for you. To order the shoes at visit FB page 4 for details. HB Kicks. Sapatos po yan.
Second
HB
try.
Kicks. Second try po tayo. No!
Rebound by Brian.
Brian.
To De Leon.
De Leon. Pops up.
De Leon. Wala.
Nilabas.
Rebound by number 1.
Palpal.
Black. Perez.
Perez.
Bondesto.
Bondesto. Nice D by Brian.
Bago lang coach.
Okay, ito na po tayo yun. Perez. Bondesto. Power move. Foul!
Number 1.
Ako shooting po yan. This free throw is brought to you by Pure Market Groceries. And any daily deals po, meron po dyan. Just visit the page for details. Pure Market Groceries.
2 shots by the Bondesto.
Bondesto, pasok ang
Basket.
one shot. Second shot, jumpers ready. Nope. Rebound ni De Leon. Number 1. Okay. Number 1. Binababa mo ng bola. Lintag. Nalim. To Lintag. For 3.
Lintag for 3.
Nope.
So
yang ini nilalabas. Manabat.
Talaga wala. Number 8 to Perez.
Perez.
14 shot clock. 10.
Bondesto. Pops up.
Bondesto.
Pasok ang bola.
Lintag.
Lintag. Wala pa rin.
Rebound by number 8 to Bondesto.
Bondesto. Wala. Rebound ni Perez. De pass rather. De pass. De pass. Lintag. Stripped away. Recover by Lintag. De pass. Pops up. No.
Malas talaga. Pangit talaga ang shooting. Sige.
4 minutes,
Manabat.
51 seconds remaining. And it's a foul on Brian.
14, Brian.
Brian called for the
Time
foul.
out.
Tama po ang Bulacan Beast.
Bulacan Beast.
Tuloy po tayo. PLB want to thank the following sponsors:
1 minute,
Pure Market
47.
Groceries, HB Kicks, Jet Vlogs,
Penalty na.
PSBQ, JPX TV, Winners Apparel, Qatar Sublimation, MC Cargo, MC Cuisine, Conway Vlogs, Boss Gio Pares, and many more. Yan, okay na. Balik po muli po tayo sa larong ito. Manabat shooting for 2. There. Isa. Again,
Manabat.
first shot. Meron. Pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Mga tropa mo nasan? Oh, good.
De Leon.
De Leon. Pops up. Nope. Manabat, Bondesto, and 2 points again, Tagle. Nice pass. Nice assist made by Bondesto. Number 7, De Paz. Lintag to De Paz. Driving. Nice shot. Wala pa rin.
May sumpa yung rin sa kabila.
Perez. 2 points, Perez. Kinakaliwa. Nakakaliwa na. 3 minutes 51 seconds remaining. De Leon driving in. Yun, pumasok. 48-77 at 29-point lead.
Sige, substitution, Sam.
Substitution muna po ngayon. Perez labas muna para kay number 25. Kay Bastista. Tagadam for the inbound para sa Bulacan Beast. Lintag, pops up. Nope.
Wala. Ibang by number 25.
Number 25. Ito na po tayo yun.
Abastasa.
25. Abastasta. Manabat. May tahan ng bola. Ayun si Bondesto. Ayun, nagkatang kumakat. Walang kumakat. Ito na po tayo yun. Tung Manabat for 3. Nope. Nandun si Bondesto. Okay, ano muna. Nag-rebound na. Nirarang yung bola muna. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Pops up. 2 points.
Basket.
Number 8, 2 points. Okay, De Paz ngayon. Si De Paz.
Okay na.
De Paz.
Balas.
Pops up. Nope.
Number 25, wala rin mabay
Tagle number 25. Number 8, Noriesta. Bondesto. To Noriesta again.
10 shot clock.
Tagle for 3. Nope. Rebound muli ni Bondesto. Siya naman tumira for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Manabat. Manabat 3 points. De Paz. Tagadan, malakas ang bola.
Last 2 minutes.
2 minutes remaining. 48-82. Manabat for 3.
Manabat.
Bang! Back to back 3 points down by Manabat. 48-85. Tagadan. Wala pa rin. De Paz. Tagadan naman. Muli. Wala pa rin. Bondesto. Bastasa for 3. Pasok.
Bastasa.
Back to back 3 points.
Surrender na ba?
Okay, that's it. I believe so. Bulacan Beast concedes. Congratulations for winning the game po.
Best player number 19.
Congrats for winning the game po. Boss Pau Dribblers. Final score 48-88. First game now taken by Boss Pau Dribblers. Yan. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League.
Best player. Best na responsibilidad natin.
Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League. To join the league, just visit David Page for details. PLBL, ang liga namang alamat dito po sa Qatar. PLBL din po, ang liga namang sikat dito po sa Qatar. Maraming salamat po. Standby po the second game po between second po yan ang bidding F1 Ferrari versus Boleros Basketball Team. Maraming salamat po and see you po. Thank you po. Spot Dribblers. Ayan ha. Hintay po natin po yung best of the game po. 48-88. Ang score po natin ha. Ayan ha. Ayan ha. Congratulations po muli yan ha. Okay. Okay. Congratulations po sir for winning the game. And this final score 48-88. Sir, mukhang gumana po lahat ng mga plays nyo. Ultimo mga 3 points po ha. Si Manabat, I think, registered for 3 points po in this game alone po. Sige po, sir. Sir, any words po, sir?
Shoutout lang.
Di pa shoutout. Mami pa shoutout, sir. Ano nga masasabi, sir, sa laro nyo po ngayon, sir? Mukhang well-oiled kayo. Parang na, ano siya, ano. Kung ano yung sinabi ng coach nyo, sinusunod nyo.
Focus lang kami sa defense. Focus kami sa defense.
Yan, okay.
Main sa paglalaro ay focus sa defense. Tapos yung offense, bonus na yun. Lahat naman kami kayang sumipik. Lalo na sa Manabat, shooter.
Okay, sir Manabat, kayo naman, alam mo, wag copy-paste, ha? Original po dapat.
Sabi nga po ni coach, defense na lang po maayos. Kaya naman po lahat ng mister.
And sir, tell me about your team, sir. Ba't pa tinawag sa Boss Pau Dribblers?
Ayun, dahil kay boss, manager din.
Pau, yung pangalan, Pau. Paulo. Ah, Paulo, Pau.
Ano, commissioner ng to.
Okay.
SFBL.
SFBL naman. Okay. O sir, ano masasabi sa PLBL naman, sir? PLBL.
Ayos. Organized naman yung...
Oh, salamat po, salamat po. And also, eto na. Final minute. Shoutout po tayo. Sige po. Mga loved ones, pamilya, asawa, lahat. Sige na. Okay.
Sa asawa ko.
Asawa mo.
Yuli Bondas.
Shoutout
din po sa SFBL.
Okay. And sino pa po?
Yun lang po.
Okay, thank you po. Ito po ang Boss Pau Dribblers winning in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations po.